To reset your GoDaddy cPanel, start by logging into your GoDaddy account and navigating to the cPanel section. Once you are in the cPanel section, click on the link that says cPanel to access the control panel. You will be taken to a new page where you can access various tools and settings for your website. In the Files section, click on the File Manager icon to access your website files. To reset your cPanel, you will need to remove all existing files and databases. Be cautious when doing this as it will erase all of your website data. In the File Manager, select all files and click the Delete button to remove them. Next, navigate to the MySQL Databases section and delete all existing databases. After removing the files and databases, navigate to the Software section and click on the Softaculous icon. Softaculous is a tool that allows you to easily install various software applications such as WordPress and Joomla. To reset your cPanel to its default state, you will need to reinstall your website application using Softaculous. Select the application you want to install and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, your cPanel will be reset to its default state and your website will be restored to its original settings. Remember to always back up your website data before making any major changes to your cPanel. Regularly backing up your data will ensure that you do not lose important information in case something goes wrong during the reset process. By following these steps, you can easily reset your GoDaddy cPanel and start with a clean slate.